How to remove your comment on Instagram. Open the Instagram app. Go to your profile. Click on three lines at the top. Click on your activity. Go to comments. You will see all your comments here. Select the comment. Click on it. You will see delete option at the end. Click on delete. Your comments have been removed. That's how you can remove comments on Instagram. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.